Yeah, no, blessed love to an Empress, no, for real. We spent so many good times all around the world together.
Oh yeah.
So,
Just to establish love. Woman, the matriarchal covenant, the love. Who you think so ordinary and just about?
I'm not sure what aisle. Go Badu. Naya Bingi. You're riding out in the supermarket trolley. Hello. Naya. Princess Nya. Hello. Naya Bingi. Riding out with the dada. Rasta. Rasta, you're riding out Naya in Jamaica. Naya. We're going to get some cornmeal to make your cornmeal porridge. Here we go, Naya. We want the refined one, yes. So we're going to make Naya her cornmeal because this morning she got her cornmeal porridge. So today we're going to get some cornmeal here in the supermarket in Jamaica. So Naya can get her pop. Right, Naya? Cornmeal porridge. Say hello. Naya. Say hello. Naya. Say hello. Naya Bingi. Where you Rasta, where you just me want $2 in my head top. You hear that? Where you say me want? Where you say me want?
fine, call me.
Where you say me want? $2 in a...
Patinator.
Oh, you better correct yourself. Alright, so we'll get some cornmeal to make Naya cornmeal porridge. Yeah, 3 is good. How much a pack? Alright, that's alright. I want if you make our porridge. Yes, that's good. That's good, yeah. 3 at 91 each, so that's good. That's not even $1 US. So we're good to go. Even if it was, we still would have to get it because we want it to make Naya cornmeal. Yes, oats. Some of these things we just did not carry because this time we never shipped no barrel. All of my stuff them came in my suitcase. Where you take Jamaica for? And then they say Jamaica have everything. What you talk about Rasta? Rasta?
Yeah, because when there be a white flour. Shit.
I not be a white flour. You know, look for the things
When
there.
I was in Jamaica, they won't have this shit.
Oh, when you were living here?
Yeah.
Look how long that Rasta? Rasta, look how long. That's like years ago. Donkey's years. So where you go get no oats?
Oats.
Alright, come.
Oats and the I think mama they say forget.
There's semolina. So if you get semolina and oats, you make Naya porridge. So that's what we're gonna get now. Yes, so in the supermarket. Yes?
Wheat germ.
I don't want no wheat germ today. So what you gonna do?
Pumpkin seed oil.
Yeah, but what we're gonna use pumpkin seed oil to do? No, we have all of the oils that we need and we share. And I mean most of the things here are overpriced anyway. Look at the price.
3,000.
Yeah, when you work that out in a US dollar.
Around 30 something now.
Yeah.
30 something now for this shit.
That's what I'm saying. So I mean the things are overpriced. There are a lot of things in Jamaica. You have to pay 2-3 times the cost I would have pay in a foreign land. So therefore, some things we just look at it, compare the prices. What we have to buy, we buy, but what we don't have to buy, we don't buy. That's it. Yes, family. So for those of you who have been watching my vlogs, you already know how I stay. Wherever I travel in the world, you know I love plates. I love ceramics. So I always look at nice, fancy plates and cups. And if I see any that grabs my attention or I really like, I usually buy it and put it in my collection. I date them and I keep them as well.
Yeah, man. I know what to see, Empress.
What's going on
it's
here?
It's an all-purpose season, right? But when I'm looking at it, I see the season song, the MSG. You see the long
the
one?
MSG night?
Yeah. See the long one?
We not use MSG.
Oh, it's cancer.
Yeah, we not use MSG, none at all. So what are you looking for, honey?
Some spice to bring back home.
Okay. Princess Nya, why are you lifting your dress up? Why are you eating your clothes? Nya? Yes, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Naya Pingy?
I didn't forget oats, right?
Yes.
So,
What aisle? Do you want anything else from this aisle?
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Here is the shopping bill. See it here? It long like a loot paper. See it there? Ooh. See it there? See it there? What do you mean that's why I'm in no space for my phone?
okay, I reckon shopping.
I'm doing the vlog.
Who does that?
I do that. After I spend so much time in the supermarket, the Rasta said, that's why I don't have no space left in my memory. Come here video all kind of things. Why Rasta have to be so bad mind? Rasta say me I record everything. No, where you going with a bad mind? Rasta, why you have to be so bad mind? Show me and show me shopping list. Rasta, Rastian, don't be so bad mind. You want me receipt? See the bossy. Say you want me receipt. Come on, push out me load you now, so I'm going to make the insist it's paid for. Yes, big time. Security. Security, I check off my receipt. To make sure it's there. And I know she'll check because she not itemized check me stuff them, but I guess she'll check. This is it. I don't know. I don't know where that's from, but anyway. Yeah, big thanks. We are going through.
When she be strong, the whole